Yo, what's good? It's your boy Unbox King, unboxing all the good things in life, coming at you with a brand new video of the Adidas NMD KOI FISH. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So right here we have the regular Adidas box. It's the Adidas logo at the top, another Adidas logo on the side, and then you have the Adidas label which says NMD CS1 PK. These are size 9. The CS actually stands for City Sock, and the PK stands for PrimeKnit. If you guys didn't know, which is actually what the upper part of the shoe is actually made of. So when you first look, the shoe itself, clean. The midsole is actually made up of Ultra Boost, and then on both sides of the shoe you can see it has the gray shock absorbers, which is made to stabilize the shoe. The actual heel tab of the shoe on the back actually says the brand with 3 stripes, talking about Adidas of course, you know, and then the actual inner mid has the leather with the koi fish imprinted on it, which is dope. Then a nice little paint stroke coming all the way on the upper to the middle of the inner shoe. And then on the other left shoe you have the gray shock absorbers again. And then the difference about this one, actually, that on the heel tab it actually says in Japanese the brand with 3 stripes, Adidas again. So these, when you actually put them together, it actually is a complete brushstroke, which I found pretty dope. I'm an art collector. You guys already know this about me. So when I seen these shoes, had to cop. These actually released in November 18 of 2018. I'm not sure if you guys were lucky enough to get these. These were in store for a couple weeks, so it's not like they sold out or anything. Nothing exclusive. I just like them because of the whole brushstroke concept, and the koi fishes on the actual leather of the inner sole is dope. So I mean, if you guys were able to cop these, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you did cop these, got your hands on these. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video on the Adidas NMD KOI FISH. If you guys haven't checked out any of my other unboxing videos, go ahead and go to my channel and check those out. Let me know what you think. Last but not least, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for any future unboxing videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.